Hi there, welcome to my channel called Cut to the Chase, where I show you how to get things done very quickly and very efficiently. Today I'm working on a car mat, and as you can see, it's quite an old car mat. This is about 11 years old, so it's got quite a bit of wear on it and it's picked up a lot of stain. I'm going to be using a Bissell Spotclean Pro, which came out about 2 years ago, but of course there was a pandemic at the time, so it's the latest model that they've got and the most powerful model. And it's designed for actually cleaning up small areas such as these carpet mats. So I'm just going to show you how it works. So I'm just going to switch it on. It'll be a little bit noisy, but you'll see that. So I'm just doing a little pre-clean. I'm going to leave that there for about a couple of minutes and just agitate it with the bristles on the end of the brush, just to get right into the dirt. Of course, I've hoovered the mat before, just before I started, and it's a clean drain unit in there. So anything that comes from this carpet is from this mat. So I'm just going to go in like that, just sucking up all this grime and dirt, and we will take it from there, and I'll show you what's in the container later on. That's the final result completed, and as you can see, this is what I've used to clean it with the Bissell Wash and Protect. So I'm going to leave this to dry, and if you've seen the other video that I did on the Porsche stamp that you can actually emboss your carpet with, it's not a permanent stamp, but do have a look, and you'll see it puts a Porsche crest on your freshly cleaned carpet, and that's great for details. I said I would show you the stuff that came out of that carpet, and there you go, it's all there. So this will look great back in the car when I put it back in. Cheers, bye.